How do you do, fellow kids? My name is Betsy, and today with Bitrig, we're going to build the most useful app ever, a Gen Z slang translator. We're going to build an app and then upgrade it to use the new Apple Foundation models, which will let us tap into the same on-device intelligence models that power Apple Intelligence. We're going to have a little bit of fun with this. Let's jump in. Okay, I've opened up a new project in Bitrig, and we're ready to get going. Build me an app that translates Gen Z slang for millennials and Gen Xers. Make it feel like a chat app. So I put in a slang term and you print out the definition. Okay, let's ask it what slaps means. Okay, you know what? That feels spot on. But we can make this even more accurate. Okay, but now I want you to be like 75% wrong and super duper confident about it. This accurately reflects my experience translating Gen Z slang. Now, our translator is super wrong a lot of the time, but it feels really good about its answers. So let's see what it thinks Riz means. Obviously, Riz means the sound rice makes when it's cooking. Yeah, spot on. Spot on. No notes. Let's try one more. Let's see what no cap means. Yeah. I, I mean, I can't complain. You're right. It does mean when I refuse to wear hats. Perfect. Let's just do one more enhancement to our app just to make it extra obnoxious. Can you make the app feel like kind of early 2000s with a lot of bright, maybe flashing colors and maybe kind of a Lisa Frank feel to it? This is art. You're so welcome. Okay, so this is a lot of fun, and it's doing exactly what I'm asking it to. But it's not actually using those Apple Foundation models. So let me show you how to take your app and make it even smarter. Now, I can see here that all of those really funny definitions, they're actually hard coded in, which is hilarious, but not that useful if we were building a real translating app. So let's just ask Bitrig to use the Apple Foundation models. Use the Apple Foundation models to generate the answers. So what I want to show you is the code. Let's take a quick look. Now we jump in and we scroll down. Here, Bitrig has actually trained a language model on my behalf. It took the spirit of what I suggested for it and gave the AI instructions on how to be even more obnoxious, which is fantastic. Let's see what happens when we ask it to define T. T is what happens when you forget to charge your phone overnight. All right, let's do one more. Slay. Man, I slay a lot if the definition is printing out emails to read them. Well, I had a lot of fun with that. But Bitrig paired with Apple's new foundation models is incredibly powerful. Whether you build a new app from the ground up intending to use these new features, or you take one of your existing apps and make it just that much smarter, sky's the limit. We hope you'll download Bitrig on the App Store today and let us know what you make. Until next time, bye.